We'll cruise the bay and we'll cruise the town, so we know.
Hey you guys, okay, so I have it's just a fun little braid. Braids are really in style right now. My husband's watching me, just talking to the camera. Anyways, I'm really congested if you can't tell, and I sound a little bit like a man, so sorry about that. But what we're gonna do is just do a fun little braid. It's really unique, free-falling braid, so if you like it, and then there will be a little, kind of like a braid flower from your own hair on the end. So enjoy the tutorial, subscribe if you haven't. Box so I can hear the bass line drop like boom boom as we sing this tune. Got the alpine sound, so you know my truck pounds, and the rhino liner makes the rust so minor. If it looks like there's choke, it's 'cause I put 3 coats. So flat those tires and lock those hubs, and if you got a mean truck, pound those subs like. If you wanna ride with me, Mount Tacoma, I got the TRD. Honey girl, I need your touch like a flow master and a centerfold clutch. We can go cruise the bay. I got the lift kit and the clearance for days. And if you don't wanna ride, then whatever's. I got the headers and webbers. If you wanna ride with me, Mount Tacoma, I got the TRD, honey girl. And if you don't wanna ride, then whatever's. I got the headers and webbers, so we won't get stuck. We'll cruise the bay and we'll cruise the town, so we know what's going down. Honey girl, won't you ride?